يا أمتي فاستبشري.
And by the way, there is no man in the history of humanity that his followers have detailed description of his life like Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We know everything about. We know from sneezing, from sleeping, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Even we know how fast he used to walk. We know how he used to wear his shoes. We know what was his favorite color, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We know the name of his camel. We know the name of his servant. We know everything about the Messenger of Allah, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There is no other nation can claim that, ibadallah. Not the Jews, not the Christian, not the Buddhists. No other nation can tell you about.
سالم وكتاب ربي لي سلاح وكتاب ربي لي سلاح وكتاب ربي